Just the focus isn't focusing anymore. There it is. Jazz, you need juice?
I'm making toast to Jasmine.
Toast? Hold on, let me set this back up.
She gotta keep doing this camera thing. Come on.
Okay. What are we toasting to?
You. Cheers to the birthday girl.
I don't think I hear nobody, but there you go.
Maybe I need to take more champagne. I was gonna say, maybe I need to get
Very
enough juice.
champagne-y.
So maybe we should just finish off the juice because it probably was intended for us to.
Go ahead and put it all in there. Like, just everybody get a little bit.
We get different juice. Like, you know,
I don't think like you can.
yeah, so bring them shot glasses anyway.
I think you can. I want some grenadine. You don't have to bring a whole shot glass, but some grenadine would be nice. I think my toe is numb.
I got some in this.
Yeah, we'll pour that one in this one, I guess. Oh, well, you know what?
Thick. Already water.
To me, very, very last.
It's cute. So with the second bottle, can we get a different,
Okay, can I do your Gulf omelet? So I don't want feta. What other kind of cheese do you guys have?
Just cheddar. Cheddar and goat.
Okay, just give me a little bit of cheddar, not a whole lot.
I'll put it on the side for you.
I don't know how they do it. Okay, because I'm gonna know what's in there. You know, I feel like that.
You want mixed fruit or fruit?
Fruit.
A yup for snacks.
For you as well, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Here. Thank you.
Oh, I thought you was taking
Girl,
it.
no.
Almost.
And I've also got a side of biscuit.
Oh, that's mine. Thank you.
No, that closet is
That's in that back bag.
that closet is huge.
That's the closet.
No, you didn't see
Oh.
That's the bag bedroom. And then that's the closet.
Right.
The whole room.
This camera quality is just so cool. I love it.
Oh, you want to try something?
Yeah.
They'll be like, hey, come on. Go ahead, son it over. It's this ass.
Coming to me.
All these people ain't about to call her.
I just want to make a business.
That's it.
Come on, your PPP.
Yeah.
That's what my homeboy was just texting me.
But he got his.
Big mama, he got a letter today that baby mama's gonna put him on child support, but he take care of his kids. But he just went out there and looked, and she got a.
I was trying to record that ass. And
Anyway, I have to wear that shit to work every day. That needs to be.
You always find some far ass parking.
It's not that far.
I can't tell you the last time I put some heels on, child.
Shh. I go out in straight tennis shoes all the time. I don't even.
Yeah, that's why I really don't wear heels out no more, because I have to wear them to work every day.
I don't wear heels because you know what I mean? If you,
Oh, okay. Happy birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday.
oh, Hi, baby. It's hot.
Where you got
Oh, thank you.
at? Oh, your areolas.
I know I got one behind.
Oh my God.
I got one behind here. And then I got.
The keys are right there. The keys.
Hey, London. Oh yes, man, it's a microphone.
On your arm, megaphone.
Oh no, this these are butterflies. Who's that? Oh hey, my phone died.
Yeah, go back to the right.
1, 2.
I like the right one in my hand. I like the right better. Yeah, the left, I gotta concentrate too. Yeah, I gotta get concentrate.
What time is it?
Can I see it?
Is that the brat?
That man.
All right, huh?
She gonna choke on.
Let me see.
Oh, well, she got grapes in her hand. Take them in.
That might be in. That might be in.
That's a mint.
Mitten.
All right, one more time.
One more again. Take it from the top.
We know for sure. Somebody gonna have to endorse somebody to have shoes on.
That's just in slides. I'm wearing 6 in slides right now.
Yeah, we just gonna hit it here for now. That part right there. Oh, that's slide out. I don't know who it was.
Oh, I know how to do that.
What's the next part? We don't know. We just know this part. We don't know.
Yeah, we do this a lot.
I know this part.
Thank you.
Give me a kiss. Your turn.
On my turn. Okay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's not your birthday. It's my birthday. Your birthday's in like 2 more months. Okay, happy birthday to Johnny. Happy birthday to you. I'm old as fuck. Jeez.
No, it's her birthday, Mommy.
This is the cake. What is up, y'all? I'm trying not to like be too loud because I'm outside and I know that sounds backwards, but my neighborhood's quiet. Anyway, so today is my birthday. Hey, where you finna go? Yeah, so today is my birthday. Ouch.
Happy birthday.
Oh. Yeah, so yeah. I was about to tell y'all. I was about to tell them about my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, here, film me while I talk about my car.
I'll film you.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay, look, y'all. So this is my new baby. I've never had a black car before. No.
I always wanted one though.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the windows tinted on your mom. You know what I mean? I might go tomorrow to see about it.
All black.
All black, you know. All the silver little handles or whatever. But anyway.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to put some,
You know, nothing special. Nothing.
black on the black. Ain't nothing to it.
Yeah. So this is the 2018 Nissan Sentra. It's kind of low key, like, you know what I mean?
You gotta look nice.
It's alright on the inside. Let me see.
Look nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nah.
You know. Got the backup camera, the digital, whatever the hell. Got the push start there. It's a little more roomy than the car that I'm in right now, which is that one.
Oh, yes, this one.
You know what I'm saying? Rags, bitches. No, I'm just playing. Yeah. So, and then I also got, I'm gonna show y'all my cake in a second. I feel like, no, I didn't show y'all because it was in the car. I showed my Snap though. I didn't put it on Snap. Yes, I did. Hold it.
Why you got all them bags like they ain't right here though?
I don't know.
They got through the bags and I'm like, he knew shit.
Yeah, so we've been gone all day from the house. I was supposed to finish my outfit earlier. To take pictures in. But I think I'm about to do that now. I wanted to just take some. Whew.
You ran to that pot like she been holding it in the whole time.
She probably had. She told me she had these ones at the dealership.
Yeah, but I was saying like, I only know
Sorry,
how
I'm
she
bringing
gonna
up
get
that one.
something. All of it is gonna get you gotta go to sleep. But dang, they look good now.
Hair, don't really. It's cute about the wig though. I just need to kiss somebody because it looks very wiggy. Yes. So this outfit is what it is. And then, yeah, it's right here. So anyway, oh, my cake. I didn't show you my cake.
Your cake?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm like really tired. I've been up since like 5 or 6 this morning. I woke up this morning, did some work. I was done working probably like 8. Yeah. Anyway. So, this is what we got. It says, happy birthday Slim, very high maintenance. And they, oh, you can't focus, okay. They put the little blunt right there with the little smoke above it. I thought that was so cute. So, yeah, got some Hennessy. We had some Tito's. We finished the Tito's, so now. Yep, but we are probably, like I said, I'm gonna finish this outfit real quick because all I gotta do is, and y'all will see it. Y'all know what I'm talking about because probably by the time this goes up, I already have this 2-piece video uploaded. But I'm just going to put the basketball team on this jersey on the front. I don't know how I'm gonna connect the 2 bottom parts yet, the 2 bralette parts. Don't know. And it's kind of late to be figuring it out. I was have been done with this, but things are just gone really crazy. So yeah, I'm about to snatch this wig off because my head hurts. And yeah, I'm about to finish this real quick. I need to stop talking to y'all so I can finish it because time will be running. Yeah, we'll see what we're looking like with time because I think it's like probably close to 5 o'clock now, which gives me like 2 hours to work with. We will check you guys in a minute.
Alright, look, I'll holler at you, man. Not right now. So, you got something coming Thursday, right?
I can't see. It's dark. I'm going to the gazebo.
Okay, well, I can't do that right now today.
Yeah, I'm back there.
I just wanted to say, hey, I'm gonna go in there. Oh, look at all these bugs on the outside, Lord.
You wanted to go in there and do what? No, you gonna sit out here. You gonna sit outdoors. That's what you gonna do.
I'm gonna take a picture in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you wanna light your nose to your car?
Yeah.
Your car? For the car?
I'm doing right now.
Okay. Now I'm about to change into the outfit that I made. I finished making it today. Okay. So, you're about to see that on in a second. Okay. I forgot to come on the camera when I had my outfit on, but I'll insert pictures. Okay.
That's
I want some of that.
Yeah, I gotta call him up.
I'm gonna let him cool down first, baby.
You wanna take a picture?
Let him cool down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Okay. She got a lock on it. I can't get in there.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Oh, the mommy.
Oh, that mommy.
Mommy. That you. Mom, that you, mommy. That you and now. That you.
Box, baby. There we go. Pretzel, Pringles, same thing.
I don't have any candles, so. I mean, it's still cold, so it's fine.
What in the world?
I want to blow on the cake. I just.
What in
like
the
that.
tomfoolery?
Yeah. I should get a remote.
You're excited.
So excited.
Oh my God. It's a blanket.
Take a see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see it.
You're so excited to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Wait.
I'm not gonna be in that.
Right here, Bonnie.
Tia, London, where y'all at?
Right here.
Finna sing happy birthday.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we say happy birthday to you? Oh, bye-bye. Oh, not then.
Not again.
Not
We killed it already. Some more?
Yeah, some more.
Oh my goodness.
It's so cold in here.
Y'all ready?
Yeah. You gotta
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday to you.
Like that.
All right, good job. Yeah, she did. Oh, do it one more time, Miss.
Oh, one more time.
Wrong to have candles.
The logo.
She forgot.
Huh? No,
What is that brown stuff?
Right there in the slow.
Mommy.
I thought it was a bug on there.
No, it's supposed to be a bump, but it was just so small.
The bug was
Thank
there.
God. Who made this cake? Why would you put up?
That's because that's my logo.
Yeah.
Don't just under here.
Grandma. She said I was a bug. And she got a tattoo right here.
Is it blonde?
No.
Oh.
I don't got no weed tech.
Scratch that off. See, I don't give her no idea. It'll be next. Keep on.
Oh, Grandma, did you see her tattoo?
I've seen them 5, 6, 7, 8, or 7.
Oh, 7, 7. Oh yeah, it was 7, 7, 7. My angel 7, 7, 7.
Yeah, okay.
I want to cut into this cake.
Me.
I think you need to be giving Nigel your cake.
Ooh, I want to
Yeah, I don't
cut
want to cut it
cakes.
though.
I want to cut it.
Oh, okay, well then
No, I want to cut it.
No, I'm saying I don't want to be the one to cut it because I can't.
I want to cut it. Can
I
I
don't
cut it?
cut evenly.
Can I cut it? Can I cut it? I'll
You
cut
dress
it.
that with her.
Look at it. Look at it.
Mama cut it.
Huh?
Mama gonna cut it.
You can cut it, Mom. You can cut it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Y'all want a piece of cake?
Nope.
Okay, anybody want cake?
I want cake.
Ash, yes.
Yeah.
You want a piece of cake? I know Fatty called Pop-Pop. Tell Pop-Pop come get his cake. You see me?
Tell Pop Fatty.
Yeah. I don't know.
So Jeremy doesn't want one.
I don't know. Maybe I don't want no cake.
This is cake.
They got cake.
No, this is
You want a piece of cake?
I want the cake.
What is that?
This is cake. The cake.
Yeah, cake.
That's all.
This big enough?
What she want? What does she want?
Oh my God, there's a cover.
Oh, my cover that belongs to the basket anyway.